Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily enable developer option in Excel. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Step 2. Click on File at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu, select Options at the bottom. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. Step 4. In the Excel Options dialog box, choose Customize ribbon. Step 5. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of main tabs and their corresponding checkboxes. Look for Developer in the list and make sure the checkbox next to it is ticked. Step 6. Click OK to apply the changes and close the Excel Options dialog box. Congratulations! You've enabled the Developer tab successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.